Hey Caillou, I am going to go make sure everyone's grass isn't blue, so I need to be on your best behavior while I'm gone, okay?
Okay, have a good time.
You too. I also must note that the fish will be your babysitter, since you almost died the last time you had a babysitter.
What?
Hello Caillou, I am going to be your babysitter. I know everything about you since I am your fish. I also love to swim a lot in case you didn't know. Do you need anything?
I don't need anything, but I do need to use the bathroom.
Okay. I need to go with you to the bathroom though. There's something must tell you.
Okay. So, what did you need to tell me?
I will gladly tell you, in Song 4.
Don't pee on the floor, use the commodore. La 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 la.
I guess you were right, but I can't resist. I must pee on the floor and not use the commodore.
No, don't do it. Oh. Caillou, how dare you pee on the floor and didn't use the commodore? That's it. I am calling your dad.
No, wait, I'm sorry.
Hello, Boris.
Hello Goldfish. Is everything going okay with Caillou?
No, Caillou is a very bad boy.
Wait, what? What did he do wrong this time?
He peed on the floor and didn't use the commodore.
Oh, Caillou, how dare you pee on the floor and didn't use the commodore? That's it. You are grounded for 82,627,282 months. Go to your room right now.
Moral of the story.
Don't pee on the floor, use the commodore. La 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 la.
Don't pee on the floor. Use the commodore.